Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So I will be doing an unboxing today for a camera that I bought from Amazon. So it's an Amazon purchase and the brand is HLS, and this is a video action camera, 4K with wide angle lens, outdoor sports camera with accessories, mount kit, battery charger, HD Wi-Fi, underwater camera with waterproof case remote, and it's 4K. So I purchased this camera to do more outdoor vlogging for my channel. So in order not to take the big Canon camera that I have, because right now I'm currently videoing on my Canon Rebel SL2 DSLR camera. So I want to do more outdoor vlogging, especially for the summertime. So I have opted to purchase this video action camera in 4K, and I purchased this from Amazon. So this is the purchase that I made from Amazon. So I will also put a link. Of it on the screen, or should I say a screenshot of it on the screen, so you can see the brand. I haven't opened it as yet, so I'm gonna open it right now with you guys. HLS action camera. Open it up and see what it comes with. Ooh, don't let him come in. Oh, fancy. So it comes with the camera itself. Started. So this is the camera, and this is the remote. Comes with a booklet explaining, I guess, how the setup is done. And this is a VIP card. Oh, congratulations, you are lucky to win our free gift. Oh, so you can get a micro SD card with it, or a $10 Amazon gift card. Wow. Oh, so if you register within 7 days after receiving product, find your order and share your shopping experience, email us at the screenshot of the review and product page. We will immediately ship you ship you the gift. Okay, that's nice. I actually bought it 2 days ago, so I have to hurry up and get on that right now because it's been sitting in my closet for 2 days, so I'm 5 days behind. I only have 5 days left to do that. These are the extra batteries, the battery charger. This is an extra battery. I think it comes with 2 extra batteries, and not sure what this is. The charger. All these gadgets and mounts. Comes with a lot of extra gadgets. Wow. So I have to read up on this, you guys, and figure out what all these extra accessories are used for. And I think it comes with 2 batteries. Where's the second battery? I'm only seeing 1. Or is it only just 1 battery it comes with? Okay, you guys, so I am going to be going through this and trying to figure out what all this accessories is used for. I'll probably have to watch some YouTube videos as well to kind of figure out, but this is a budget, you know, friendly GoPro, I would say. This is, you know, on the cheaper side, and it's similar to a GoPro, and it has some of the features of a GoPro. So I'm really looking forward to using this camera for my vlogs and my, you know, outdoor activities and stuff like that. So this is what it looks like, and as I said, it comes with a extra battery and also a remote. Also comes with a remote, and it's all waterproof. So they're all waterproof. This is waterproof, and I think the remote is also waterproof. Probably put it in a different case or something. But yeah, this is what it is. So I guess it shows you how you can set it up as well. So yeah, looking forward to using this outside for my vlogs and also for my outdoor activities. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more great outdoor vlogs. Bye.